Can a simple salad help protect your body from cancer? The answer might surprise you. Today, we're sharing the best anti-cancer salad recipe, packed with science-backed ingredients that can boost your immune system and help fight harmful cells. It's healthy, it's delicious, and it might just become your new go-to meal. Let's dive in. Why salads are great for health. Salads are one of the easiest ways to load your plate with nutrient-dense, raw, whole foods. When done right, they're not just light and refreshing, they can become powerful tools in your cancer-fighting arsenal. Today's recipe combines several anti-cancer ingredients in one simple bowl. Why this salad is the best? This isn't just any salad. Every ingredient in this recipe is carefully chosen for its cancer-fighting properties. From greens loaded with antioxidants to seeds packed with healthy fats, this salad supports your body from the inside out. Plus, it's quick to make, super tasty and flexible enough to fit any lifestyle, whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or just trying to eat healthier. Key ingredients and benefits. Let's break down the power-packed ingredients in our anti-cancer salad. Spinach or kale. These leafy greens are rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect your cells from oxidative damage. Broccoli or Brussels sprouts. Cruciferous vegetables like these contain sulforaphane, a powerful compound that can slow the growth of cancer cells. Carrots. Loaded with beta-carotene, carrots help reduce the risk of many types of cancer, including lung and breast. Tomatoes. These are high in lycopene, which has been linked to a lower risk of prostate and stomach cancers. Blueberries or berries. Full of flavonoids and vitamin C, they help reduce inflammation and protect DNA from damage. Flax seeds or chia seeds. These tiny seeds are full of omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which may inhibit tumor growth and support hormone balance. Preparation tips. Making this salad is as easy as it gets, and you don't need fancy tools. Start by chopping all your veggies into bite-sized pieces. This helps them mix better and makes eating more enjoyable. In a large bowl, toss in your greens, followed by the crunchy carrots, broccoli, juicy tomatoes, and sweet berries. Sprinkle a tablespoon of flaxseed or chia over the top. For the dressing, go simple. Extra virgin olive oil and fresh lemon juice. This combo boosts nutrient absorption and adds a zesty kick. Give it a good mix and you're done. Health benefits. This salad does more than satisfy hunger. It's medicine on a plate. Many of the ingredients are known to inhibit the growth of cancer cells or help flush out toxins. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in these foods work together to boost your immune system and reduce inflammation, a key trigger in cancer development. Plus, you're getting fiber, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that support overall body function. Eat it regularly and your body will thank you. Serving ideas. For best results, enjoy this salad immediately after preparing it. That's when the nutrients are at their peak. You can also top it with sliced avocado, a handful of walnuts, or even a scoop of hummus for added flavor, texture, and nutrition. Want to make it a meal? Add a side of whole grains like quinoa or a lean protein source like tofu or lentils. So there you have it, the ultimate anti-cancer salad. It's colorful, easy to make and loaded with ingredients that have been studied for their cancer-fighting power. Best of all, it tastes amazing. Remember, no single food can prevent cancer, but adding more whole plant-based meals like this one to your diet can make a real difference. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's looking to eat healthier. What's your favorite anti-cancer ingredient? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Cure with Food for more delicious science-backed recipes to help you live a longer, healthier life.